Hello and welcome to Day 2, Lesson 1 of Primetime Karate Camp. I hope you guys were able to watch the lessons on Day 1. We had 3 lessons, so hopefully you were able to do that. If you were not able to do that, we will review that. And also, if you were not at Primetime Summer Camp Lesson 1, 2, and 3, my name is Master V, in case you didn't catch my name. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to bow in. That's what we do at the beginning of each class and at the end of each class. Your feet are in a V shape. Bring the hand up. Put a fist here and salute. Now let's go to Chumbi position. Chumbi means ready. Put in your hands on your hips and let's just go back and forth, a little bit of stretching. So hopefully all of you are awake and you're ready to rock and roll with some karate moves this morning. So we're going to go back and forth 5 times. Ready? Down, back up. That's 1. Down, back up. That's 2. Down, back up. That's 3. Down, back up. That's 4. Keep your knees locked. Down, back up. That's 5. And now bring your hands up. We're going to twist a little bit and we're going to twist in these directions. Okay, ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And go back to Chumbi. Chumbi means ready. So important to stretch before you start doing any of your moves. Now, I just want you to move your feet apart, not too far, just a little bit, and then just reach down for your right ankle. Just reaching down and then coming back up and then to the center. Keeping your knees locked. Don't bend those knees. And then back up. And now to the left. Keeping the knees locked. Don't bend them. And back up. Now going to the right. Back up. Center. Back up. To the left. And back up. Now bring your feet together, not too close together, okay? Maybe shoulder width apart. A little closer. And now put your hands above the knee and slowly make little circles with those knees. Little circles. And now go the other way. The other way. All right. Now bringing your hands up and rolling forward 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 5. And now let's go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I want you to keep your feet apart. We're going to do a little bit of breathing exercise before we start punching and blocking. So feet are apart. Your hands are in this position. Okay. What you're going to do, watch me do it first and then you can do it with me. Okay, you're going to bring your arms out and you're going to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Okay, now try it with me. Remember, hands in this position. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Again, in through your nose and out through your mouth. Again, in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now we're going to go back to Chumbi position. Now I want you to bring your hand out. Remember, both hands, closed fingers down, thumbs over, left hand out, and the other one back. So when I say 1, we're going to throw a punch. I say 2, we're going to throw another punch. So ready, your left hand is out. Ready, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Keep your hand out there. Don't give up. Stay with me. Remember, use your power and use your karate yelling sound. That's where your power comes from. So this time I'm going to say 1 and you're going to throw 2 punches. Ready? 1. Stay focused. Stay with me. Don't give up. Just try your best. Ready? 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. chumbi like a karate ninja. So that was your power punch. So remember, we also did a hammer strike. Okay, so quickly review on the hammer strike. Hand is open, close fingers down, thumb on top, bring it by the ear, and strike down to the nose of someone your size. Okay, so now we're in chumbi position. We're going to do some hammer strikes. Ready? And 1. Hi-ya! 2. Hi-ya! 3. Hi-ya! 4. Hi-ya! 5. Hi-ya! 6. Hi-ya! 7. Hi-ya! 8. Hi-ya! 9. Hi-ya! And 10. Hi-ya! And go back to chumbi position. Chumbi means ready. So just a really quick review. Attention stance, your feet are in a V shape. Hand is in this position, fist is here, goes here, and then we salute. Bring your left foot out. Now we're in chumbi stance. Chumbi means ready. Always be ready. Stand tall, be proud, and be focused. Okay? So now let's go back to attention and repeat the 3 R's after me. Respect yourself, respect others, and respect the property of others. Okay? So always remember to be kind to everyone, because karate people are very smart and they make good choices. So remember, life is about choices. You can make a good choice and good things will happen. If you make a bad choice, bad things will happen. So I'm hoping that you guys will be making good choices. Okay, so let's go back to chumbi. We also did an inward block. Remember, hand is open, fingers down, thumb on top, put it by the ear, bring it in, boom, and stop the punch that's coming to your face. And we're blocking with this part of the arm, right here. Again, hand is open, fingers down, thumb always on top. Don't trap that thumb under the fingers. It's on top of the fingers. And put the fist by the ear, bring it in, boom, right to the middle. It stops the punch coming in at you. So go to chumbi. Let's do some of those inward blocks. Ready? And 1. Hiya! 2. Hiya! 3. Hiya! 4. Hiya! 5. Hiya! 6. Hiya! 7. Hiya! 8. Hiya! 9. Hiya! 10. Hiya! And back to chumbi. Now you're looking like a real karate kid. Okay, so now what we're going to do is bring one foot to the front, and that foot, same hand, is out. Fist is down, tight, and strong. Okay, so we're going to block with this hand, the hand that's in the back, punch with the other hand. Left foot to the front, left hand out. Right hand inward block, left hand punches. Okay, you guys ready? So you have your left foot to the front. Doesn't have to be out too far. Make sure you're comfortable. Okay, so a punch is coming to us. We block it, and then we strike back. Okay, guys, ready? Remember, block it, and then strike back. So ready, here we go. Feet are apart, knees are bent. You're on the ball of your feet. Be light on your feet. Don't bury your feet into the ground, but be light on your feet. So bring left hand out, left foot to the front. Ready? We'll talk you through it first. Ready? Block, punch. Block, punch. Make sure you're looking. Pay attention. Don't look around. Just focus on what you're doing. Ready? And block, punch. Block, punch. Okay, so now when I count, you're going to block and punch like a ninja warrior. Remember to be very focused and to pay attention to what you're doing and nothing else. Ready? 1, oh, yeah. 2, hit, yeah. 3, sit, yeah. 4, sit, yeah. 5, sit, yeah. 6, sit, yeah. 7, sit, yeah. 8, sit, yeah. 9, sit, yeah. And 10, and go back to chumbi position. Now we're going to do the same thing but on the other side. So now you bring your right foot to the front. Right hand is out. This is your punching hand. Remember, the other one does your inward block. So let's go through it real slow. Left foot to the front, left hand to the front. Right foot to the front, right hand to the front. Block with the left, punch with the right. So let's do that slowly again. right foot to the front, right hand to the front. Left hand blocks, right hand punches. Again, left is an inward block and a reverse punch. This is your power punch. Block and power punch. Block and power punch. So you guys ready? All right. So be focused. Don't look at anything else. Karate ninjas are always very focused and they pay attention to what they're doing and nothing else. Okay, so remember, block and punch. Ready? 1, chi-ya! 2, chi-ya! 3, chi-ya! 4, chi-ya! 5, chi-ya! 6, chi-ya! 7, chi-ya! 8, chi-ya! 9, chi-ya! And 10, chi-ya! And go back to Chumbi position. Now what we're going to do is the same power punch, except we're going to punch down. We're going to keep our feet apart, and our body's going to be strong and straight, and one hand is pointing down, and the other one is going to be punching. So let's do it slow. One hand down, punch with the right, punch with the left, punch with the right, punch with the left. So are you guys ready to do some power punches? Okay, so open hands, fingers down, thumbs on top, one hand down. Remember, as tight as a rock. Make sure this fist is super tight. The tighter the fist, the more power you have in it. So feel your power, squeeze that fist. Ready, and 1, hi-ya! We're doing down punches. 2, hi-ya! 3, hi-ya! 4, hi-ya! 5, hi-ya! 6, hi-ya! 7, hi-ya! 8, hi-ya! 9, hi-ya! And 10, hi-ya! And back to Chumbi. Now middle punches. Ready, and 1, hi-ya! 2, ha! 3, hi-ya! 4, hi-ya! 5, hi-ya! And back to Chumbi and high punches. Ready, 1, hi-ya! 2, hi-ya! 3, hi-ya! 4, hi-ya! 5, hi-ya! And back to Chumbi. This time we're going to do 2 inward punches. Imagine someone's going to punch you, you block, and then they try to punch you again and you block again. Ready? Remember, hands are always tight, tight as a rock. So start blocking with the right hand. So when I say 1, you're going to block, block. And I'm going to say 2, block, block. 3, block, block. Okay, I think you guys got it now. You guys are probably really smart kids that are in prime time camp, and you're really listening and you're learning this stuff. So we're going to do inward blocks 2 times when I count a number. Ready? 1, chi-ya! 2, chi-ya! 3, chi-ya! 4, chi-ya! 5, chi-ya! 6, chi-ya! 7, chi-ya! 8, chi-ya! 9, chi-ya! And 10, chi-ya! And back to Chumbi. Very good. So this time we're going to even add a punch to it. We're going to block, block, and then punch. Okay? Inward block, and power punch. Ready? 1, hi-ya! 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 Okay, now that was just a little trickier, but I'm sure you're going to get it. So basically we've done a power punch, a hammer strike, okay, an inward block, and we also counted to 5 in Korean. So let's do that again. So put your feet in a V shape. Open hands, close down, thumbs on top, hands to the side. And repeat after me. Hana, tul, set, net, taso. That's 5 in Korean. One more time. Hana, tul, set, net, taso. And now say it with me. Hana, tul, set, net, taso. Very good. So this concludes our lesson 1 for day 2. And I will see you again very soon for lesson 2 on day 2. Thank you.